Duct placeholders are great during early design stages to claim some space for ductwork, and also quickly map out routings in the building. The Duct Placeholder tool allows you to route duct placeholders and then later convert it to two-line ductwork. When using the Duct Placeholder tool, you can still specify the duct type, size, and elevation, and then draw a quick one-line layout. To place a duct placeholder, select Duct Placeholder in the HVAC panel of the system's ribbon. The ribbon changes to the Modify Place Duct Holder contextual ribbon. The options that appear in the contextual ribbon and options bar are actually the same options that are available when creating ductwork using the Duct tool. In this case, you may just want to choose the largest size of duct and the desired elevation to claim your space needed for ductwork, or you may want to add the various sizes along a run. In the Tag panel, Tag on Placement is a toggle. When selected, the button has a dark background and a tag will be added when you place a duct placeholder. If you toggle this off, the background lightens and a tag will not be included when you place a placeholder. I'll toggle this back on. In this example, I'll change the width to 48 inches or 1,200 millimeters in the metric file, and the height to 18 inches or 450 millimeters. Moving into the drawing area, I can see that Revit is prompting me to select the duct start point. When I click, I can see a preview of the duct placeholder, as well as listening dimensions. The preview looks just like a line. Revit shows the length of the placeholder as well as the angle. I can move my cursor in any direction, just like when creating a duct segment. When the placeholder is aligned vertically or horizontally, Revit displays a tooltip to inform me. To create the placeholder, I can click to enter the endpoint or type a specific distance and then press Enter. For example, I'll type 30 to create a placeholder segment 30 feet long, or 9,000 in the metric file to create a placeholder segment 9,000 millimeters long, and then press Enter. Next, I'll move the cursor straight down and click to place a vertical duct placeholder segment. Then I'll click Modify to end the command. Let's create a section view and see what the duct placeholder looks like in that view. I'll switch to the View ribbon and choose Section from the Create panel. Then I'll click below the duct placeholder to enter a starting point, move the cursor above the placeholder, and then click to enter the endpoint. Then I'll right-click and choose Go to View from the shortcut menu. In the section view, notice that the duct placeholder appears full size. This allows us to coordinate with architectural and any structural elements that may be in the model. It is not just a single line here. I'll move back to the floor plan view and select the placeholders. To select an entire chain or network of duct placeholders, move your cursor over a placeholder and press Tab to highlight the chain. Then click to select all the duct placeholders. With the placeholders selected, two contextual ribbons appear. The Duct Systems contextual ribbon appears because all ductwork is automatically placed in a duct system, even duct placeholders. Looking in the Properties palette under the Mechanical section, you can see the system type as well as the system classification and system name. On the Duct Systems contextual ribbon, you can choose to edit the system while using duct placeholders. On the Modify Duct Placeholders contextual ribbon, there are tools to edit the placeholders in the Edit panel. With multiple duct placeholders selected of different types, you can select Change Type to change the type of each placeholder selected. You can also select Reapply Type to update the type when changes have been made to the routing preferences. Additionally, when desired, the duct placeholder can be converted to a regular duct element. To accomplish this, choose Convert Placeholder. The duct placeholder will then convert to an actual duct element with the duct type, size, and elevation specified. A warning also appears stating that the element has an open connection. This is simply because the duct is not connected to anything and an end cap has not been placed. For flow calculations to work correctly, all connections must be connected or sealed. Click anywhere in the drawing area to dismiss the warning.